Hi, everybody. Welcome back after a nice long weekend. I hope you were able to get out and enjoy the weather. I know I did this weekend. So I hope you guys have taken a look at the page and noticed something different. All of the folders are going to be open for this week. Okay, that means you can move through this week at your own pace. So if you want to today and buckle down, you can get done with all of your wellness homework for the entire week. Okay, so I'm going to take you through today, which we titled Day 1. So, stress management day 1. As you can see, all 4 folders are open. Okay, everything is due on day 4 for Friday. So, today's assignments, those aren't due till Friday at midnight. Tomorrow's assignments aren't due till Friday at midnight, and Thursdays aren't due till Friday at midnight. Okay, they're all due Friday at midnight. So, what you need to do is watch today's lesson and slides on this recording right here. Okay, there's a lot of vocab and definitions, so make sure you take notes on those. Make sure you know positive and negative ways to cope with stress. If you take good notes, your homework is going to be a breeze. Okay, so it's about an 8-minute video there. Watch it and it'll have everything you need to know. If you want the link for the PowerPoint on your own, that is going to be right there. And then you just have to complete Ways to Manage Stress, Worksheet 1 and Worksheet 2, which it's just one PDF. So it's one page and then there's the second page. Okay, that's what we're talking about. You're going to turn it in right here. At the end of this lecture, I go through what each of the assignments is. Okay, so make sure you go on there. You have that all filled out and you turn this in by Friday. Okay, again, if you want the slides, it's right here. And let me know if you have any questions.